Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you fix Microsoft Outlook not sending or receiving emails until restart. So firstly click on start, tab services, dot smc. After click on enter, that is. Now scroll down and here option Google Update Service. So right click, after click on properties and here click start tab, click on disable it. After click on OK, that is. After click on this Google Update Service, right click on properties, click on disable it, click on apply, click on OK, that is. After type Outlook, click on start. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.